Welcome to Mishna study Masachet Shevuot Perek Bet Mishnah Aleph. Over here now we're going to start to speak about Yediot HaTum'ah. So being being aware of impurity. So the Mishnah we opened up in the first Mishnah about Masachet, and now we're going to dive into this for a few Mishnayot. Shtayim Shem Arba. It's two that are four, meaning there are two categories that come out to four cases. Now Yediot HaTum'ah literally means awareness, knowledge of Tum'ah. Harambam, let's go through them. What are they? Nitma ve'ada. He became, right, again, we're talking about, he became, he became, he knows, right? He knows of something. He becomes impure, walks into the Bet HaMikdash. He finds it, he forgot, he walked into the Bet HaMikdash, he finds out afterwards. Now, he either walked into the Bet HaMikdash while he was tameh, or he ate korban when he's tameh. Right, and he forgot. He either forgot he was impure, or he forgot it was the Bet HaMikdash or a korban, and that's going to split into these four cases. So nitma v'yada, he was tameh, he knew. Now ne'alma mimenu tuma, he forgot. Now he was tameh v'zachula kodesh, but he remembers that this is a basar korban. Ne'alma mimenu kodesh v'zachula tuma, or vice versa. He forgot that this is a korban, but he remembered that he was tameh. Or ne'alma mimenu zevazeh, he forgot both of them. Achalet kodesh v'lo yada. He ate now the korban. He didn't know. Now after he ate, mishachal yada, he realized he was tameh, or he realized this was a korban, or he realized this was the Bet HaMikdash. Hareze be'oleh ve'yored. Right? This is a korban. He has to bring a korban oleh ve'yored. Okay, that's what the first half of the Mishnah is talking about. Knowledge in regards to a korban. Right, either his body, but he was tameh, or he didn't know that he was eating a korban. That's the first part of the Mishnah. Now, the next part of the Mishnah deals with the Bet HaMikdash, not the korban, but now the Bet HaMikdash. Nitma v'yada, he was tameh, and now he found out. Right, he knew he was tameh, and then ne'alma mimenu tuma v'zachul HaMikdash. He forgot he was tameh, but he knew that this is the Bet HaMikdash, or ne'alma mimenu mikdash v'zachul tuma. He didn't know, he forgot this was in the Bet HaMikdash, but he remembered that he was tameh, or mimenu zevazeh. He forgot about both of them. Nichnas the mikdash v'lo yada. He went to the Bet HaMikdash without realizing he was tameh. U'mishiatza yada. When he came out, he realized he has to bring the korban oleh v'yored that we mentioned, based on his financial, how much he has, his financial capabilities. He'll bring either a korban, the animal, and it could go down to turtle doves, or even a flower, right, korban, depending on his status. Okay, now if you think about it for a second, Harambam points this out, that we're talking about Yediot HaTum'ah, knowledge of Tum'ah. There's really 8 cases. There's 8 awarenesses, right? Because he's aware in the beginning, and then he's aware at the end. And there's 4 of these cases, right? There's the Tum'ah of the Mikdash, of the Bet HaMikdash, and he either knows about the Bet HaMikdash, or he knows about his body, right? There's a yedi'ah for both of those, but he knows in the beginning and knows at the end. And the same thing when it comes to the Tumat HaKodesh, when it comes to the Korban, so he knew that it was a Korban in the beginning, then forgot, and then realized afterwards, or he forgot, the of his body, meaning that he was Tameh, right? So again, there's the Tum'ah of the Mikdash, of the Bet HaMikdash, which splits into knowing that he's in the Bet HaMikdash and knowing that he's tameh, right? If you forgot any of those. And then you have the Tumah, the Kodesh, the Korban, same thing, where he has the knowledge, for the Kodesh, a knowledge of his body. But again, if we break it up, the way we have it is he needs to know that he's tameh, forget, walk into the Bet HaMikdash, and then realize afterwards. That's 2. 2 times 4 is going to be 8 awarenesses. So what is this? Why is the Mishnah saying it's 2 that it's 4? So Rambam says it's as if the Mishnah said the Yediot, right? Yediot HaTum'ah shebatechila shetayim shem arba. Right? Awareness of Tum'ah in the beginning, meaning the original awareness, when you first knew, is 4 that is 2 that are 4, and that splits into the cases that we mentioned, Tum'ah Mikdash and the Tum'ah the Kodesh, and each one has 2 subcategories of either the Kodesh Mikdash or his Guf.